Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Redmi 14C. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can select your default browser, or you can click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget to your desktop, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now again, and now you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.